Well, hello. How are you? Um, I wanted to show you how to install and open Desmos so that we can all work together with this. First of all, you need to go, of course, to your App Store or Play Store, whatever you prefer. And so I need to go online and I need to go to my Play Store and I can actually look it up like this. You all know this. Don't get bored yet. Patience. And of course, Desmos is the first thing that appears because I already installed it a while ago. And so I install it. It shouldn't take long because it's a light app. You can actually go to desmos.com on the web and you can register for free. And that way, when you open it, you'll be able to save your drawings as I expect you will want to. So it's still installing things. Let's be a little patient. My Wi-Fi is a little slow. So what is Desmos? Desmos is an app designed to draw and analyze functions. It's a little bit like GeoGebra, except that it's easier to use, not as heavy. So it's already installed and we open it. As you can see, you can use it either in landscape mode or portrait mode, it doesn't matter. Let's start by looking at the axis that you have here. Now, of course, just like always, this is a regular coordinate system. You can actually label the axis with the usual letters x, let's use lowercase x, and let's use lowercase y. And now you can show arrows for the directions of the axis. I like to show arrows only on the positive side. And you can either zoom in like so, or you can zoom out. But the nice thing that you can also do is that you can use two fingers to pinch the 2 points in the y or x axis, and that way you only zoom on one of the axes. If you press this little house over here, it will send you back to the default setting. And so let's start by graphing a regular garden variety linear function. And there it is for you. Nothing mysterious about that. That's y equals to x plus 1. This function has a y-intercept of 1, a slope of 2, and so let's say that you wanted to see this under a different scale. You could actually zoom it in, and as you can see, more divisions appear. You can zoom out, once again, use two fingers. You can move it around by using only one finger. But the nice thing is that you can also pinch on the y-axis, and if you compress it, as you will expect, this thing gets, well, more horizontal. Let's call it that. You can also expand it. And whatever you do with the y-axis, you can also do with the x-axis. So you can compress it, and that way it's gonna look steeper, or you can expand it. If at some point you get lost, you can always press home and it will send you back to the regular setting. And that's where you draw your things. You can, for example, draw y equals x to the second power, and you can also hide things. For example, look at that. I just hid the linear function. Now what's going to happen if I pinch on the y-axis here? Apparently, the function gets fatter, wider. In actuality, it's being compressed on the y-axis. You see, the x-axis goes from -5 to 5, the y-axis goes from 0 to 100. So these are the basics for the Desmos application. I hope you install it and you have it ready for tomorrow. Bye!